Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how I move from this to this week. This week was a very profitable week for us. Yeah, we made a lot of profits, and as usual, price has its own way of taking back what belongs to Caesar. Back to who? Back to Caesar. So let's see. I'm going to break down everything to you guys in this video, how we're able to call the trade and how we're able to enter that particular entry. You understand? So stick to me and you're going to love it. But by the way, first of all, I'm sorry that I'm going to be using my smartphone for this particular video, because at the moment of recording this video, yeah, a little technical issue with my PC, with my laptop. Okay, I'll be getting that fixed and done before the end of today, so that I can be able to record and teach you guys so many things you guys need to learn about the forex market industry as time goes on. It's your guys OLUWA-POUNDS, and if you're new to this YouTube channel, please like, subscribe and share. I do post so many useful content weekly that is going to help you and grow your instinct, or also grow your profitability in the market. Let's dive into the chart right now.
Okay, guys, so now this is the 4 hour time frame of GBP JPY, the pair, and this is the trade we took on GBP JPY. This is the sell that we took that gave us at least a 1:4 risk to reward ratio. Now I'm going to break everything I saw in this particular trade before I was able to place this trade and make a little profit from the market. Now let me show you guys everything I saw in this particular trade. So now going to our 4 hour time frame, remember in our last video I also talk about current structure, understanding the current structure of the market. If you can see from here, this is our current structure. From here, down here, down here, these are all our current structure in the market. So understanding the current structure can increase your profitability in market, so that you will not be able, or you will not be confused by compounding everything that is been happening from year up to year. If you are studying this particular place, you are wasting your time. So all this particular place does not really care in the market. We're only focusing on the current situation of the current market, which is from up here to down below here. So after seeing this, let's read the current market structure. Reading the current market structure, you can see with our trade line strategy, if you are doing the if you are trading with SMC, you understand about SMC. If you are trading with price action, you understand about trade lines and how trade line works. So if you are doing price action, this should be a downtrend, abi? If you're a price action trader, this should be a downtrend. But since we are not talking about price action here, we are talking about SMC. Let's take that away. Let's focus on our current market chart. This is our break of structure, or you can call it our change of character, because the last time we had a break of structure was probably a sweep of liquidity. This can serve as a failure break of structure and may also be seen as a sweep of liquidity, which means the sell side liquidity. So after seeing on this, okay, this is our current break of structure in the market, and this is our order block. This is our bullish order block. Remember, all this has been taking place in the 4 hour time frame. This is our fair value gap from here up here. Is our fair value gap, and after this we are going down to our 15 minutes time frame. Why? At the moment of entering this particular trade, the market was in this side. I think this is Thursday. Yes, we took it on Thursday. The market was, I think, yeah, because I saw the setup on Wednesday and I was waiting patiently. The market was here, I think, at the moment of entering it in a life aspect. So, what do I expect to do from here? I'm expecting price to reverse. For price to reverse from here down here. If price can reverse, that should be a very good idea. Let me bring out arrow. No. If price can reverse from here down to this side, then I will be making my buy entries around this place. Around this place. That is why I'll be making my buy entries. But that is a fair value gap here. You guys already know how to trade a fair value gap. Apart from that, if this happens to be a failure fair value gap, then my entry should be around here. Around here, that should be where my entry should be. If this happens to be a failed fair value gap, my entry should be around here in that other block. But going down to the 15-minute time frame, I know that we're already waiting for, we're going to expect a reversal. It is a must that we're going to see a reversal in this market. After seeing a 4-hour change of character and FVG, we're going to expect a reversal in the market. That was why I was able to go down to my 15-minute time frame to neutralize this particular setup and look for a clean entry. You can see it. Remember what I said? If you mark your point of interest from the 4-hour time frame, you need to confirm it in the 15-minute time frame. If you marked it from the 1-hour time frame, you need to confirm it in the 5 minutes time frame. So let's see. Some of you guys must have seen this particular setup. You might have seen this and thought this is a change of color to the downside. No, this is just a liquidity sweep because the candle that breaks below that particular aspect isn't that strong enough to compare to this particular one. So this is a failed change of character, and this is our original break of structure. Okay, after seeing this break of structure, I already know that price is going to keep on selling. Remember, this is a reversal. We're trading price reversals. We're trading reversal to the entry. The main market movement is a buy. The main market movement here is a buy. We're just trading the reversals. I saw this entry and I was able to plot my risk reward ratio at this particular place because this is our order block here and this is our FVG in between this order block. From here down here is our FVG in between this order block. So this also makes this particular setup a very valid and clean setup. You understand? A very valid and clean setup. So after seeing this, I sent it out to people interested in my signal channel and they were able to do what? They were able to sell. Remember, my Telegram channel isn't active again. I've removed that from my page, from my description. My Telegram channel isn't active again. I'm now focusing on WhatsApp. You can chat me on WhatsApp if you need me, and then so this was how I was able to get this clean setup, and this gave us 1 to 4, and we made our profit as easy as that. So now after seeing price in this FVG, what do we expect? You guys must have seen this. Remember this FVG? Price might react in this 4-hour FVG and continue going up. Price might react there and continue pushing to the upside, but I don't fucking care. I don't fucking care what price have to do. At the moment of recording this video, the market is not moving. You understand? The market is not moving. So let's continue analyzing. Okay, this is our order block. Now this is already a failed order block because you can't tell me if you really want to enter this particular buy from here. Your stop loss should be 45 pips. No, that's impossible. Your stop loss should be below here. Why? Your stop loss should be below there, and your TP should be above here. Okay, this is what I just expected from the market. But as you can see, this took our loss in this demonstration. This took our loss. So this is all for DJ. I'm going to show you guys what to be expecting from this market this week very soon. I'll show you guys what to be expecting for this market this week. But apart from that, I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this breakdown. See you guys next time.